Hi, I'm Daphne and I've lost over 20 pounds. I feel amazing. I never thought I would get back down to a size where I could fit my clothes, but I feel great mentally and physically. I feel like I can do anything. I don't have problems walking up the steps. If I want to try something on, I feel comfortable doing it. So I just feel amazing. I think this program, it really works if you make the commitment and you have a great team around you that supports you every step of the way. I think my favorite part about the program was just feeling more like a family than just going through a program. It made me feel welcome. Everyone that I'm working with makes me feel comfortable. I can ask as many questions, even if the questions don't always make sense sometimes, but I've enjoyed the experience and just the way I felt going through the program. It's really changed my life, to be honest, because having a life coach, having someone to train with, and then talking to Dr. Lynn has really made a great impact on my life, and I'm thankful for that. I believe the program worked for a variety of reasons. One, I made a commitment once I walked through the door, and two, knowing that I have a team versus me feeling alone. I think sometimes on our weight loss journey that we feel like we're by ourselves, we can't talk to someone, and I really felt like I had a team who was my biggest cheerleaders, saying that you really can do this and you really can permanently change your life versus just this is a weight loss program. And I think that's why it works for me. Well, I don't really want to pick one person from Evora. I think that each person on this team brings something different and makes you really feel comfortable. I laugh with Chloe all the time. Dr. Lynn always is giving me advice about what I can try. There's no pressure to do anything. She's just giving you the resources and allowing you to make the choices that are best for you. And I love working out with Casey, then the nutritionist and life coach. Everybody's been really great, and I think that having those pieces really has made a difference for me in this program. I would absolutely recommend this program to a friend. I always have recommended it. I've encouraged people that if they really want to permanently change their lifestyle and be healthier, that this is definitely a program that people should look into, and I've encouraged a few friends to call.